Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. As we have finished our chapter number 5, that was lines and angle. Now, from today, we will start our new chapter, some basic things. I'll tell you, we'll talk about some basic things only. We are not going to start any exercise or new things. Okay. So, in chapter number 6, we are talking about that is triangle and its properties. So about triangle, some things are there like types of triangle on the basis of side, on the basis of angle, what are congruency, congruency rule are also there. So all these things we will see in this chapter. So let's start our chapter number 6. Chapter 6, that is triangle. ठीक है. Chapter number 6 is triangle. First of all, what is triangle? Triangle means a polygon, or first polygon you can say a closed figure of 3 sides, right? Closed figure of 3 line segment is called triangle. That's all. A closed figure of 3 line segment. Correct? You can write here sides also. Three line segment called triangle. Correct? Next one is, this is the triangle. Now in this one some parts are there. Like in this one 3 vertices are there. See, this is a triangle. This A, B and C. In this one 3 sides are there, one AB, one BC and one AC. 3 angles are there, angle A, angle B and angle C. Same. 3 vertices are also there, vertex. I am talking about vertex A, B and C. These 3 things are there. Okay. Now triangles are categorized. Means triangle have divided into some parts on the basis of side and on the basis of angle. So we can talk about now type of triangle. So second thing is types. Types of triangle. What are the type of triangle? On the basis of side we have 2 types. We have already learned in previous classes also what are the types. So first one is on the basis of side and the second one is on the basis of angle. Okay, first of all we will talk about basis of side, then we will talk about basis of angle. Side means AB, BC, CA we have seen just before. So on the basis of side 3 type of triangle are there. One is A, one is B and one is C. What is first one? First one is equilateral triangle. Correct? What is first one? That is equilateral. Here देखो. Equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means a triangle whose all sides are equal. A, B, C. So we can say that AB will be equal to BC will be equal to AC or CA. You can write this. Correct? This is the equilateral. Second one is isosceles. Isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means a triangle whose 2 sides are equal. Any 2 sides you can say, like I am just drawing a figure here for isosceles triangle. This is A, B and C. In this one AB is equal to BC, AB, right? AB is equal to AC. AB equal AC. If 2 sides are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. If three sides are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. And the last type on the basis of side, that is scalene, right? Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. What is scalene triangle? In a triangle, if all, this is A, B, C, A, B and C, different mark I have given here. So here AB not equal to BC, not equal to CA or AC. Not equal means they are not equal to each other. Means all three sides are of different length. Correct? All three sides are of different length. That is called scalene triangle. So these three types of triangle are there. We have already learned in previous classes also. Same on the basis of angle also. We can learn on the basis of angle. So I am erasing this one. Then we will learn about triangle on the basis of angle. Now types of triangles. On the basis of angle. On the basis of angle, how many types are there? See, A. One is acute. Acute angle triangle. Correct? One is acute angle triangle. What is acute angle triangle? Acute angle triangle means a triangle whose all three angles, we are talking about angle na? A, B, C, all three angles are acute angle. Acute means less than 90 degree. So all angles should be less than 90 degree. Angle A less than 90 degree. Angle B less than 90 degree. Angle C less than 90 degree. Means all angles are acute, that is called acute angle triangle. Second thing, number B, that is called obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. What is obtuse angle triangle? Obtuse, can you see by this name? One angle should be obtuse, right? देखो कैसे होता है. ये है obtuse angle. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Can you see this angle? What is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is the angle whose measure is greater than 90 and less than 180. Means between 90 and 180. So this angle, can you see? This is the dotted line is for 90 degree. This is greater than 90 degree. So one angle only will be there. If one is obtuse and other two will be acute only, because the sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. और ये भी हम prove करेंगे. We will prove. Okay. So ABC, this is called obtuse. Angle B is obtuse. Angle B is greater than 90 degree. Correct? So this is obtuse. Next one is, that is acute, obtuse, and one is right angle. Correct? Right angle triangle. अब right angle triangle क्या है? Whose one angle is 90 degree. ये देखो, this one. This is P, Q, and R, and this one is 90 degree. So one angle is 90 degree. Here angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So ये हो गया आपका right angle triangle. Means one angle is right angle, that is called right angle triangle. One angle is obtuse angle, that is called obtuse angle triangle. All angle less than 90 degree means acute angle, that is called acute angle triangle. Now we will talk about two things. One is altitude and one is median. what is median and what is altitude, just try to understand carefully. These things you have already learned in previous classes, but now what is altitude and what is median? See here, median and altitude. You know what is altitude? What is the meaning of altitude and what is the difference between altitude and height? Do you know? What is the difference between altitude and height? Reply for the same in comment box. If you don't know, then ask me. Difference between altitude and height. आपने सुना होगा कई बार altitude भी आता है और height भी आता है. These two different names, right? Different names are there and the meaning also different, but generally we are taking same. अब देखो median क्या है और altitude क्या है. Altitude means height of triangle and median means a line. देखना यहाँ से. सबसे पहले मैं बात करता हूँ median की. Median, a line segment joining one vertex. A line segment joining vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of opposite side of the triangle. देखो समझ में आया? Altitude means a line segment joining the vertex of triangle to the midpoint of opposite side of the triangle. Opposite side मतलब ध्यान से देखना, this is our triangle. ठीक है? This is also our triangle, correct? And this is also our triangle. Why am I drawing three different triangle? Because according to, on the basis of angle, just before we have seen three types are there. How many? Three types are there. अब उनका देखो altitude means median. Median में draw करने जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है? इसका median देखो A, B, C. This is P, Q, R and this is X, Y and Z. यहाँ देखो altitude, median. Median क्या होता है? Vertex ले लो, any vertex joining to the midpoint of opposite side. इसकी ठीक opposite side कौन सी है? ये वाली. इसका midpoint यहाँ ले लेंगे हम. This is midpoint and join the same. ये देखो. This is the median. This is A, L. L ले लेता हूँ. A L. A L is the median. A L is median in this one. Correct? Again, if we will talk about this triangle. Just opposite one is this one, and इसका midpoint ये हो गया ये हमने क्या कर दिया, इसको midpoint से join कर दिया. ये आपका हो गया PM. PM क्या हो गया अपना? Median. Correct? Second, in this one, this is the midpoint and this is the vertex and join like this. This one. ये midpoint हमने ये वाला ले लिया. And this X and is median, right? ये है median. Just take any vertex you can take. You can take this vertex also. You will join here midpoint. This vertex you are taking, join just midpoint of this side. Opposite side का midpoint ले लो और उसको join कर दो. That is called median of triangle. Hope you understood. Next one is height. Height is perpendicular to the base. The distance between the maximum height means vertex and the perpendicular to the base. देखना ध्यान से. अब मैं height की बात करता हूँ. Height or other word is altitude. What is altitude and height? See, when we draw a triangle. So perpendicular height is the distance इसको परपेंडिकुलर लिख सकते हैं, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस from the base to the opposite vertex of ट्राइंगल। एक ट्राइंगल ले लिया हमने, ये देखो ट्राइंगल ले लेता हूं मैं, ये हो गया ट्राइंगल, ठीक है। वन मोर ट्राइंगल आई एम टेकिंग, ये हमने ट्राइंगल ले लिया, सेम ट्राइंगल आई एम टेकिंग, वन मोर ट्राइंगल आई हैव टेकन, दिस इज द ट्राइंगल, दिस इज ए बी सी, दिस इज पी क्यू आर, दिस इज एक्स वाई एंड जेड, राइट। नाउ व्हाट टू डू, we want to find height this, ये देखो इसका BC base, QR base and YZ base, we will take these three as base, okay। अगर ये base है तो perpendicular means 90 degree angle, 90 degree angle कहीं से बन रहा है, so this will be height, so AB will be height। vertex से perpendicular top maximum height जो होती है ना, वहां से ये maximum height है। यहां से देखो इसका बेस तो ये है, परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम वर्टेक्स, यहां से वर्टेक्स ड्रॉ करो, दिस शुड बी 90 डिग्री, दिस विल बी हाइट और एल्टीट्यूड, एल्टीट्यूड भी लिख सकते हो, हाइट भी लिख सकते हो, दिस वन। इन दिस वन व्हाट विल कम, देखो ये बेस है, वी कैन नॉट ड्रॉ ऑन बेस, सो वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स, सो दिस विल बी हाइट, राइट, दिस विल बी हाइट, सो दिस इज हाइट हियर। ये थे आपके हाइट। तो ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल की जो हाइट है वो बाहर से काउंट होती है, अंदर से काउंट नहीं होती है। होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस वन, ओके। सो टुडे दिस मच इज इनफ, just recall and write all definition of type of triangle on the basis of angle and on the basis of side, altitude, and one is median. So this 3 plus 3 plus 2, okay, means 8 definition you will write with diagram. Properly write everything as I told you, okay. This much is enough today. Tomorrow we will start our exercise. Thank you, have a nice day.